I'm not a fan of the term vegetable oil. Oils don't come from vegetables, they come from seeds. These are seed oils. In the UK, you call the most common one rapeseed oil. Over here in the US, it's called canola oil. So when you want to buy an oil, there are various things you have to consider. The first thing you want to consider is it a processed oil? What you want to look for is something which says cold pressed on it, which means that the seeds are crushed, there's no additional heat, there's no additional chemicals. The unsaturated vegetable oils like canola oil will tend to oxidize more easily than cooking with saturated fat, whether that's butter or ghee. And oxidation is the whole gist of metabolic health. That's what you're trying to prevent within your body, the production of free radicals implicated in inflammation, aging, cancer even. So you don't want to be taking in food which is easily oxidized. So in a nutshell, that's the problem with a lot of these vegetable oils. They are inherently unstable.